So I just got back from the market and purchased a beautiful DeIorio's pizza kit. So as you see, we have our dough, we have our sauce, and we have our mozzarella. And while at the market, I picked up some gorgeous mushrooms, some fresh arugula, and some nice whole milk ricotta cheese. So we're gonna show this pizza done in a cookie sheet. We're gonna spray our sheet with either vegetable or extra virgin olive oil spray. We're gonna cut open our dough packet. Remember to always try to keep it nice and even, your dough, and nice and flat if you can. So we see that it's the perfect consistency, it's nice and thawed. And now a little trick. Because it's nice and soft, you wanna spray a little bit on top and a little bit on your hands just in case, so you don't want anything to stick. We're gonna pick the dough up with the plastic. We're gonna gently place it onto our pan and peel off our plastic. Nice and easy. Discard our plastic. And then we're gonna take our hands, we're gonna put a little bit in the oil. Remember, fat tastes good. So we're gonna spread our dough out. And we're just basically following the line of the pizza dough to put a crust. Literally, it's 1, 2, 3, come up your top, and it's done. So now we're gonna add our sauce. We're gonna add a little bit in the center. And then using our spoon, we're gonna work it all the way to the edges. So once you have it evenly spread, we're gonna take our mozzarella cheese, and again, we're gonna start with our edges and work our way in. Now we're gonna add our fresh mushrooms. And once again with the edges and working our way in. Now I slice these nice and thin so they cook nicer and they don't produce a lot of water. So you can add as much as you'd like or as little as you like. We're gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just a little drizzle. And then we're gonna a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna take our ricotta. I like to use 2 spoons. And then we're just gonna use 1 spoon and we're just gonna do some dollops around our pizza. And our pizza will be ready to go into our preheated 425-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, once we've taken the pizza out of the oven, we let it rest for 3 minutes to let the cheese settle. We're gonna take it and we're gonna just slide it onto our peel. And now we do the magic. We're gonna finish it, like I said, with fresh arugula that we're gonna sprinkle on. And this is wonderful. It adds a little bit of a peppery flavor to our pizza. Once again, nice extra virgin olive oil. And we're gonna finish it off with some fresh ground black pepper. And you can already smell the aroma coming out. And there we have it. You can hear the crispiness of the dough. It's beautifully cooked inside. Has a wonderful aroma. Mangia questa, è bellissima. Remember, fresh is always better.